The drone market is expanding as industries develop use cases to take advantage of drones' flexibility, mission agility, and cost benefits. But maintaining communication between drone and operator is an enormous challenge, especially over long distances. In fact, it's virtually impossible to control drones beyond the visual line of sight. RF is limited in range and reliability, satellite communication is costly and limited in bandwidth, and using just one SIM card lacks the redundancy and coverage required for safe BVLOS operations. That's why we created Halo, our next-generation communication platform, providing superior always-on connectivity and solving the BVLOS challenge once and for all. Halo bonds multiple communication links from different carriers, combining ultra-low latency with high bandwidth, enabling seamless transmission of data. The Sixth Sense algorithm encrypts the data, splits the data into packets, prioritizes, and transmits it through a secure network tunnel. Halo automatically detects failed communication channels, instantly transmitting the data on an alternate link without the disconnect caused by traditional failover. Halo aggregates 4G LTE, 5G, local RF, satellite communications, and mesh to provide the ultimate connectivity solution. With BVLOS architecture tailored to unmanned operations, Halo enables simultaneous operation of numerous drones from the same control center using Elsight's cloud management platform. Additional flight-related features include mapping and route planning, native Mavlink support, and ASTM-compliant broadcast and network remote ID capabilities. Join the dozens of global partners already using Halo to propel their BVLOS operations forward. Elsight, a new era of connectivity. For more details, contact us at elsight.com.